What's up, my guys and guys? It's your boy EJ Got Anubis here, and I'm here to tell you guys how to get your first 1,000 subs in 1 week. This is going to work for 2019, so I hope you guys are ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for the next video. Also, I'd like to give a big shout out to the notification squad, and if you would like to get a shout out on the next video, make sure you like and comment on the video below. With that being said, let's hop into the video. So guys, right here I have a few simple steps that's going to help you get your first 1,000 subscribers in a week. This is going to help you in 2019, especially if you just starting out a YouTube channel and you want to get your sub count up there real quick. These steps are going to help you. With the first step, what you're going to be doing is sub for sub. A lot of people don't like sub for sub, but if you into doing sub for sub to get your numbers up real quick, do what you got to do. But in the long run, sub for sub will hurt you. What you do, sub for sub, the subscribers that you get is not going to be active. They're not going to watch your videos. They're not going to comment or anything like that. It hurts you in the long run. So it's not worth it doing sub for sub. But if you're trying to get your numbers up real quick, go ahead and do sub for sub. So guys, getting your first 100 subscribers is hard. It's hard for everybody. Trust me, I know. Every YouTuber know that's the hardest thing to do. Once you get your first 100 subscribers, then it's gonna be a little bit easier to get your 1,000 subscribers. First, you got to get that milestone of 100. Once you hit that 100 mark, you're going to be cruising towards your 1,000 subscribers. The next step, guys, you want to do is find out what type of video that be good for your subs. You're going to have to play around. Especially if you new to YouTube, you're going to have to play around with what you're going to do. Either gaming, beauty videos, anything like that. Anything that you think will be catchy for your subs, do that type of video. Once you do that, keep going with that. The next step, guys, you can do clickbait. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing clickbait because once people click on your video and it's not what they want to see, it's not too good. Your video not really gonna get recommended by YouTube or anything like that. So it's a good and bad thing. It's a good thing because people actually will click on your video, but it's a bad thing because people will not be watching your videos. What you want to do is do a video that is gonna get people to click on, but once they click on the video, make sure it's good enough for them to watch. So the next step, guys, is gonna be having an upload schedule. The best thing you're going to want to do is upload video constantly. That will help you out a lot, an awful lot. When it comes to uploading and you get your subscribers, they're going to want to see your videos. So they're going to need a type of upload schedule where they can come and watch your videos. You don't have to upload daily like some people do. You can do upload twice a week, maybe even once a week. As long as your subs know what your schedule gonna be for your upload, do what's gonna be best for you and your subscribers. So the next steps, guys, is when you hit your first 100 subscribers, keep doing that one thing that you've been doing to get your first 100 subscribers. Once you do that, it's going to help you grow. You're going to grow from that point on. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Don't change it. Don't do anything different from what you're doing. If 100 subscribers came and clicked that subscribe button to your channel, I think you got something going on. I would stick with that and keep on going with it. The next step, guys, is you doing trendy topics. Try to find you some trendy topics that's going on right then and there that's going on, and then try to do some videos on those trending topics. If you do that, you're going to grow your channel real quick because people are interested in the trending topics. Trust me, believe me, it works 100%. You will grow to 1,000 real quick in a week, no problem at all. So the last and final step, guys, is make sure you have some tags on your video. Trust me, it helps out a lot to have tags on your video. If you don't have no tags, you will not be ranked. So your video would not ever get seen on the front page or anything that somebody search for your videos or anything like that. So the best thing for you to do is make sure you tag your video. That way you can rank. And once you do start ranking, people will see your videos, and that will help you get to your 1,000 in a week real quick. 100% guaranteed. So that was the last and final step, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this on how to get 1,000 subscribers in a week. I hope this video helped you out. Like I say, don't forget, hit that like button, hit the notification for the next video. I'm about to get ready to get out this thing. Peace.